Hi dear subscribers, today we will talk about the TikTok application and we will show you how to add text on TikTok videos. So let's go to this app and shoot some new video, picking on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen one time. After, you need to click on the central red K. Wait a minute, and after, press the check mark. Choose the next button. Amazing! And after, as you can see, there is a special box to describe your post. Let's click on it one time and text to add some description for your video. To pause this shooting, this video, this recording, click on the post K again. And thank you for this watching. We hope that you will subscribe to our TikTok and YouTube channel, and we hope that our videos are useful and interesting for you. Good luck to everyone. Bye bye.